Welcome to Lono in beautiful Hollywood, California. Alright, welcome to Lono Hollywood. My name's Chad and I'm going to make the Beatles Are Overrated. It's not only a great cocktail, but a statement I like to use frequently. So right now we have a batched out drink, which I will explain everything in it. We do a lot of batched out stuff that gets kegged here because we're a pretty high volume bar. So in this bottle I have real McCoy 3-year, Green Chartreuse, lime and coconut. And that's going to be 5 ounces poured. Specced individually, you have 2 ounces of real McCoy, ½ ounce green chartreuse, 1 ounce lime, 1 ounce coconut, and then it's going to get 1 muddled strawberry. You get that nice and completely broken down because this is just going to be dumped right into the glass. 1 little scoop of crushed ice, and then this is going to get flash blended. Dumped straight into the glass. So the white cocktail went to this nice pretty pink. We're going to top this off with a nice little heap of fresh crushed ice to give it the really, really beautiful mound look, and a big bouquet of mint for some aromatics, and that green going so well with the red. And there you go. The Beatles are overrated.